Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are well. Let's start the video class for today. I'm your English language teacher from Campus 1 Standard 6. So today's lesson is going to be the chapter 4 phrases and clauses, which we already started in the previous video class. So today we're going to start with the part 2, and today we're going to talk about phrases, kinds of phrases. And as we already know that a phrase is a group of words that makes sense, but there won't be any verb. That would be there, the verb will be missing here. So we also know that there are some kinds of phrases, and we already have known some of the kinds, but today we're going to learn about 3 types. Okay, the phrases are generally of 3 types. We have learned so many types, but today we're going to learn about these 3 types, and they are: number 1, noun phrase, and number 2, adjective phrase, and for the last, adverb phrase. So we're going to learn about these 3 types of phrases today. So let's see their description and examples. So look at this table, everyone. So as you can see that the phrases section, there are 3 types, that noun phrase, adjective phrase, and adverbs. In the middle section you will be seeing description, and at last you will be seeing the example for each. Let's see. So at first, look at the noun phrase one. Noun phrase will have a noun plus words that modify a noun. And let's see the description: which performs the work of a noun in a sentence. That means here the subject, I mean the noun, will have a modifier together, will act like a noun. Let's see example, like the woman in the white sari is my mother. Here you can see the red blocked letters, I mean the words, the woman in the white sari is describing my mother. So my mother is the noun which is being modified by this whole thing. So the woman in the white sari is our phrase, and there's no verb, as you can see. So this phrase is modifying the noun, so eventually this is acting like a noun in a sentence, the woman in the white sari. So this one is our noun phrase. Let's see another example. The probability of happening that match is not much. So as you can see, the probability of happening that match altogether is working like a noun, because this thing is the subject of this sentence. So this one is also our noun phrase. Okay, so let's see adjective phrase now. So in adjective we will see adjective plus other modifiers, and the description will be into 2 different ways. The first one, let's see, performs the work of an adjective in a sentence. Obviously it will perform, that's why it's called adjective phrase, right? So see the example: this table, this one is noun, and the other one is beautifully carved by hand. So as you can see, this thing is modifying the noun. So we know that the word which describe a noun is called adjective. So this one is our adjective phrase. So beautifully carved by hand was quite expensive. So this is acting like an adjective in this sentence. So number 2, let's see description number 2: may use preposition or ing participles to perform the work of an adjective. So here you will see that it can also be performed like an ing, and we also will see another example. See the boy is noun. Where is the boy? The boy in the shop is my friend. So the word is underlined here, or the red colored is in the shop. So in the shop will be our adjective phrase. And let's see the last one, adverb phrase. Adverb, there will be an adverb or slash preposition plus noun or verbs plus modifiers. So all together it will work an adverb in a sentence. Let's see example: we managed to find our way through the woods. As you can see, this verb is modifying by these few words, through the woods. So this one is our adverb phrase. Let's see another one: they walked is our main verb, so it is being modified by these few words, along the wall. So they walked where? Along the wall. So this part is also our adverb phrase. So these are the few things by which you can easily identify these three types of phrases, which is noun phrase, adjective phrase, and adverb phrase. So I think this is clear now. Let's see the other slides. So now we will see verb phrase. So verb phrase. So you can ask me that there won't be any verb in a phrase, but how come verb phrase? So let's see what is this. Verbs are words that demonstrate an action, right? Which will tell you an action, such as sing, dance, smell, talk, eat. But when combined with linking verbs such as is, must, will, has, which is our helping verb, right? They form verb phrases, okay? So if a main verb is along with an auxiliary verb, it's all together, which is combining a linking verb, it will introduce like a verb phrase. Verb phrase can consist of 1 to 3 linking verbs and action verbs, and sometimes any complements such as objects or direct objects. So let's see in examples for verb phrases. She smells the pizza. Here, verb is smell. She can smell the pizza. Here you can see an auxiliary verbs added here, can. So can smell. So altogether is our verb phrase. Another example, he appears on screen as an actor. Here you can see appear is verb. If we add auxiliary verb, he has appeared on screen as an actor. So verb phrase is has appeared. Lastly, we can see I study Italian. Verb is study. If we add auxiliary verb here or the linking verbs, I will have been studying. I will have been studying. As you can see, these are your participles of studying. So I will have been studying Italian for 3 years. So verb phrases will have been studying altogether. So this is the end of this kinds of phrases. So I hope you have learned so far, and this is the clear concept for you. Thank you so much for your attendance. Thank you.